Hello. So I thought I'd do a quick little demonstration on how we prepped our tags prior to going out in the field. The tags we used are the Low-Tex .10 GPS tags. And we did have, prior to receiving these, had them put or attach a tube at the very top. And that's very important when attaching these to the birds. These little loops at the bottom, those are the connectors that you put onto your device to program your tag and also download the data once you recapture. As far as the material we used for the line, tested out a couple different kinds on some backyard miniature hens and closely monitored. No hens were hurt in the process, but found that the fish line that worked the best, because we did want these to stay on the birds, was the fish line that was braided and coated with a Teflon surface protector. And yeah, zero problems with abrasions or irritations on the birds once we retrieved them. For the line itself, I cut about a 14-inch piece. I like to work with a lot of line. I don't have piano fingers, so it makes it a little easier. I take one end of the fish line and I run it through the tube. And then I come back around because I'm going to create a loop. As you can see. Now I do want to make sure I have even ends here. So I'll take that shorter end and I can still pull it at this point to make sure it is even. And once I have that, what I do is I tighten that on each end and I take super glue and I go ahead and dab it on top of the line that's on top of the tag and also put some into the tube itself. I let that dry. Once that is dry, this is where it's important to know which is the top side and which side's the bottom side of the tag. The top side should have a label with the tag number and phone number. I take one of the ends and place it through the loop of the connector where you program your tags. And I come from the back side through, or the bottom side through. On both sides, I repeat. And now we are ready to go out in the field. I put this in an envelope and we program and activate the tag and we're set. But just so you kind of get an idea of what this looks like. Now these loops are going to go around the leg and up over the thigh of the bird, and it's going to fall and lay in that crease of the inner side of the bird's leg.